show, Twisted Steel. Here in the backyard, Thornton. Massive turnout like usual. Massive turnout. No gimmicks. Just enthusiasts. No drama. Just a bunch of amazing people with amazing rides.
If you see a hoof and she's under stress. They let him move.
This Mustang. Next to the 5 window. I'm going to try to get as many as I can, but there is sensory overload. Cars front, back, side to side. They're literally everywhere. It's very nice. This original Ford's been here before. Real nice. Super clean. Super clean. Little rag top Roadster. Another Corvette. It's Corvette day. Got hot dogs, got cheeseburgers, you got 1 food truck, 2 food trucks, 3 food trucks. Like I said, there's ways to do it, and there's ways to do it right. Look at this full-on drag Camaro.
No?
Full-on drag Camaro. I'm not the only Jeep here today. Pretty sure I'll be the only scrambler at any show ever. And I like being unicorn. That is a really nice split. Look at that. Another food truck. Flat black.
I think one of the ones that really pissed me off.
Beautiful Mustang. There's a beautiful SS. Here comes a siren, so bear with us. This Mustang. Next to the 72 Nova. Chevelle driving in. Way that truck's head comes up. The Demon. You've seen the Demon before. ice cream cones, more food, another drag car, massive slicks on it. There's the funnel cake truck. Yeah, this is literally across the street in Carpenter Park where I live in Thornton. This car club is amazing. Complete respect from everybody, by everybody, to everybody. It's flat black. A bunch of green accents.
You see all the green?
Gonna get into some Chevy Bel Airs. Look at this. Two-door with a pillar. Look what's under the hood of that Bel Air. Nova, El Camino. There's a supercharged Mustang. Here's one of my favorites. Little truck. Oh man, I'd love that truck right there. Look at the paint on this Firebird. Nova. Camaro. Got a beautiful Comet. Another Bel Air. 55. Well, that's shiny. Another Comet. Next to a Ford Fairlane in a beautiful color. I don't know if you're getting that with that sunlight, but oh my goodness. It's even got the padding on the hood. That color is amazing. Matching interior. Wow. Got some Impalas, slams, anything and everything. Run what you brung. Not sure what that is. Complete custom drop nose. That thing went down electronically with the push of a button and opened up like a clamshell. Chop top. Run what you brung. 32 Ford Deluxe, I believe. Love that little grill. Two-door coupe. That is amazing. Here's an original unrestored Mustang. This is really cool. I get to park next to it. This little gem. Hey, there's another Jeep. Wood boards are on. Wood sideboards, half doors that still need to be painted. Soft top half doors, sideboards. Yeah, she's getting there, boys. Next is beautiful Mach 1 in this orange color. It's stunning. It really is stunning. 351 Cleveland in there. Next to a Ford truck. Massive power plant. Next to probably a 68, 69 GMC. Bagged section, literally sitting on the ground. This is one of my favorites right here too. I'm gonna go through some trucks here. Those of you that are my age, the Cyclone came out in the 90s. That little truck will actually flat get it. To this gorgeous colored Chevy. That color combo is nuts. There's that bag GMC. The wheel wells up high. Really cool. They're still coming. Got more cars than room. Couple Chevys. Looks like Corvette Row down here. C6 sitting next to a C8. Sitting next to a 38, 39 Ford truck with a chop top. Sitting next to another C6. Two-door Bel Air. There's the B. There's the B Challenger. Is that about a 39 Ford? Subarus. Like I said, everything's here. No discrimination. You don't have to drive anything to be here. Run where you brung. Beautiful Riviera sitting there. Another Camaro. Gorgeous color. That's a Firebird. My bad. You might be the only Firebird here. It's an old two-door. Look at that old Ford there. There's another drag car that drove in with a hot rod behind it. Loving that Ford right there. I'm gonna go by, what is this, a first or second year Corvette? 63, 64, 65, something like that. Don't have those quite memorized.
That is cool.
Orange and silver stripes SS. That's a beautiful color. Just loving these colors in the sunlight. It's an SRT. I believe there's a Trackhawk here too, if he stopped. I know he drove through. I believe that's just an SRT. Brilliant bright red 4-door 57 Chevy.
Beautiful.
Next to a 2-door 57 Chevy. Next to this color, This salmon has got me. Look at this wagon. Nomad? Believe so. Believe so. Yep, it is. 57 Nomad and salmon. Next to the gorgeous yellow. Back to this truck. There's a nice little GMC right there. Beautiful. Stingray even. Look at this red with ghost flames. Really hard to see. There's ghost flames in there. Next to a chop top rod. Next to this giant army transporter. Told you. Bring anything here. Everybody's got nothing but love. This salmon has got me. It's over. I want a two-door salmon. I want the Nomad. How about the army truck? Everything drives here. Nothing trailer. Bikes. Challengers. More Corvettes. Fiat 6. Here's a Camaro. LT1. Really unique green. A real deep green. Hard to tell, but it's green. That's this beautiful drop top Mustang. Gold Mustang. Next to a yellow Chevy. Stunning. The purple Challenger. Let's go back over here. What we got here? A Le Mans. Drop top Le Mans. Next to it, another rod. Next to a supercharged Camaro. Next to a JDM Supra. Brand new Supra.
Corey's over here. I see him. Right there.
This blue right here. Blue. Stunning in the sun. Little bug. A flat black bug. Love it. Loving that bug. Step side to the metal flake in this. I don't know if you can see that. That is sparkle. Beautiful metal flake in this. Wow. Look at the paint job on this. He's cool. There's his little AC unit. Look at that paint job. Sitting on the ground, bagged. We've seen this one before. This orange Super B. Roll by. They just stroll on by. Beautiful Apache.
You're good?
Wrap around window.
No, it's a beautiful truck. Yeah. That was nice too.
Look at this stunning green. That green is insane. Rat Rod truck.
Get the seat removed.
No, he had to remove the seat and go put it back.
Next to another rod. Next to this beautiful Chevy Chevelle. Here, this one will be for Paul. Paul Sandoval. Let's see if I can show you what you want to see. Malibu 350. Looks like it's done in orange. Got his cassette deck ready. All his cassettes. Says 91,000 miles on it. And it does have stripes. I believe that's a Pantera kit. Could be original. The way the people are around it leads me to believe it is. Next to a snake. This truck right here, it shook the ground when it came by. Look at the size of these rear tires. Coronado 6-stroker.
Well, now they're older. Like, we're out of here. Yeah, play video games.
Yeah.
The oldest one's
This thing shook the ground.
Ready to try, so.
Drop top Stingray coming by.
Yeah. Call me up, man. I will. Let me know.
The funnel cake truck. Have to hit that up later. People everywhere. Little doggos, a bunch of kiddos, real motherfucking people. This is what's here. There's a B. Next to a Nova. Well, they keep coming in. I'll go ahead and sign off for now. There is some pretty amazing stuff here. We'll see you at the next show. Bye.